Welcome to our channel Life Insights. This time we are going to talk over about superstitions. Superstitions are religious beliefs that are not based on rational thinking. They are totally subjective. To illustrate this, we will have three real life incidents. The first one happened in Madanapalli, a small town in Chittoor district of Andhra Pradesh, in January 25. The parents are highly educated. Their daughters were also highly educated. The father is an employee of the nearby college. He worked as an assistant professor of some department in that college. The mother is a mathematician. That means the whole family, all the members are highly educated. The parents believed that their house was filled with evil spirits. So they were compelled to drive out the evil spirit. They thought that they would sacrifice their daughters for that. So they decided to sacrifice their daughters on a particular day. On the fateful day, they sacrificed their two daughters by Dambugal. Then the daughters died. But the parents claimed that their daughters will come back again. After some time, they will come back. When the police arrived into the scene, they claimed that they were hoping that their daughters will come back. But how would they come back? It is not at all possible. When the police arrested them, they were in a state of trance. The mother was claiming that she was Lord Shiva. Lastly, they were sent to the jail. Now, the second event happened in the ashram of Asutosh Ji Maharaj of Delhi. Asutosh Ji Maharaj was the founder of Divya Jyoti Jagran Manch of Delhi. He had many ashrams around Punjab, Haryana and Delhi. Asutosh Ji Maharaj had so many disciples who are well educated. The disciples believed that their master would go into samadhi now and then. Then in one day it happened so. The master told his disciples that he would be entering into samadhi. Then finally he entered into samadhi, telling the disciples that he would come back after 2 or 3 days. In between, they checked with the doctors. The doctors told that their master was clinically dead. It happened due to heart attack. He was brain dead and he could not come back. But the disciples did not believe this. They told the doctors that their master would come back. But finally, their master did not come back. After many days, they were compelled to cremate his dead body. Initially, they were refusing to cremate his dead body. This all happened in the ashram of Asutosh Ji Maharaj. It is the highest form of superstition. Now lastly, about Shiv Shankar Baba. His disciples are also educated. They believe that Shiv Shankar Baba is a living God. He can cure any number of diseases. He has enormous capacity to address any problem. Now we are asking him to address the pandemic. How the humanity is suffering from pandemic, we all know. If he has enormous powers and miraculous powers, then he can very easily address the pandemic. But he can't do it. It is very much evident. Again, Afghanistan crisis. It is better that Shiv Shankar Baba can address this problem also. Women are suffering. They are killed like anything. They are facing untold miseries of life. So, Shiv Shankar Baba can use his miraculous power to address this problem. Once again, it is evident that he can't do it. Only it is all superstitions. Now, where from superstition is coming up? It is coming up from our own mind. Mind means our own thoughts. That's why we must be aware of our own mind moment to moment. Otherwise, we will become a victim to superstitions. We have to be careful. Otherwise, we all will be able to be superstitious. Superstition is detrimental to our life. For that, we have to observe our own thoughts. Only thought process is creating superstitions in our life. It is not at all needed in our life. The day-to-day facts are simply enough. The practical life is simply enough. Once again, we will be coming up with another one video describing another one aspect of life.